Fight!
What would you rather have, a classic or a modern supercar?
I like classics. My favourite car at that time was a Ferrari F40.
Okay.
And it hasn't changed.
Okay.
So yeah,
There is a Ferrari F40 in this deck. Oh! Oh! I've just turned the card.
I don't know if is that good or bad.
You wait and see.
Okay. I mean, this is super iconic. This is about as iconic as classics get, I would say.
Okay.
So I've got a Jaguar E-Type.
Nice.
Which is very iconic.
Nice.
And maybe not as iconic as what you've got.
No.
I feel like I feel like this is gonna go wrong. I'm just gonna go for it. Top speed 150 mile an hour.
So my top speed is 201.
Wow.
For
is
a
it
classic.
an old Bugatti?
It is not.
It's not an EB110.
It's a 1987 Ferrari F40.
Oh, come on.
I've won it.
Fix. To be
I
fair,
turned it over and I was like...
To be fair, I don't think that I could have won on anything there.
No, I don't think so.
Engine size.
Yeah, you would have won on engine size.
But yours is turbo.
Yeah, we'll take it.
I can't really comment on anything on that. I was just saying how much I love the F40 and there you are. So, okay.
Here we go then, 1963. Another classic, another icon, Aston Martin DB5. Oh. Here we go.
That's another car that would be in my collection.
Yeah, I'm trying to think now, what is the... I'm going to go ERS wow factor, 9.
Well, you've beaten my Renault 5 GT Turbo, which is 7. Although very cool. To be honest, every car that we've discussed so far, I would have in a collection, actually. I guess that's the whole point of the classic top trumps, really, isn't it? Having cars that you'd actually
all the other ones just rot.
Yeah. You're not wrong.
Oh, my... Come on! This is you.
Is it me again?
Yeah. I shuffled these cars well. Put it that way.
This is also, this is a really iconic car. So I've got here, it's a GT350 Shelby Mustang.
Oh, yes.
And I have to really go with engine size. So CC, engine capacity, 4727.
That is probably the only one where you'd beat me on. I've got a 1981 Lamborghini Countach. So there you go. You've won one Italian supercar back.
To be fair, though, that should have. I know that this is a bigger engine size, but that should have won. That is a cooler car.
Yeah,
that's definitely a cooler car. Okay.
Oh, here we go.
You're up.
Here we go. A 1986 Toyota MR2. Or you could argue that it's a 1995 Ferrari 355. I am gonna go for. Now we have had these rules vetted by the ERS, higher top trumps gods, that have made the rules.
Okay.
Miles per gallon, the better is the highest.
Because I would have thought it would be lower.
That's less efficient.
It's cooler.
Cooler though. Cooler.
Yeah, of course it is.
However, I'm going for it. 38.7 mpg.
That's good.
It is good, isn't it?
0.7 as well. It's
Yeah.
not just 30.
Yeah. Oh, they've gone to town on the stats.
Okay. Volvo P1800E does 27 to the gallon. So
Lovely. I actually think this looks quite cool.
You've won that. I've driven one of those.
Have you?
I've driven one of those a couple of times.
Why?
Long story. A classic car club I used to do some work with had one on the fleet, and actually it was it drove really nicely. It was well ahead of its time.
Yeah.
Well ahead of its time. Fantastic car, drives very smoothly, but I wouldn't say the most beautiful of the cars we've spoken about today, but it's not always about that.
Now it's you to go for the final card.
Oh.
I think I've got quite a cool car here.
This isn't for me. This particular car. I think I will win this though. I'm quite confident.
All right, then.
I'm going to have to go for engine size again because to be fair, it's probably the only thing.
Didn't fancy the wow factor?
Well, mine's only 6, so I'm no. Engine capacity 5343. It says a 5.3 litre in round figures. Jaguar XJS HE V12.
Yeah, I've got no chance. I've got a 1981 DeLorean DMC12, but with an engine capacity of 2,849. So there we go.